Right, back here again today. It's been a week since last we raced, but the weather's been a bit hairy going, so we finally got the car back into the shed. And there's a lot to do for the next race, but as you can see, the car itself is in pretty good condition. It's got a few other issues. So we'll check them out today, and then we'll get on to them next week or two and sort it out, ready to go racing at Gunnedah in April. And yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, we could look at it. It is actually, for a change, you don't have to do any real panel repairs. Didn't notice we have a bit of a scuff wheel there, a bit of black paint on it maybe. Well, it's not through the old black paint on it. The nose code is pretty good. Had a slight coming together on this side somewhere, but there's only a lightest touch there. For a change, we're not doing panel work, we're doing a bit more in-depth stuff this week. Yeah, so one of the issues we had was at the end of the feature, the start of the feature, car wouldn't start. So you get a push started. Got the much complaints from the push car guy. Didn't want him to do it, but anyhow, that's another story. It's a bit random. But just as we pulled up from after the feature, there was a tow truck on the way, so we had to sort of wait a little bit to get the car to the trailer. It was running a bit hot, and I didn't know how well the fan was working with the low battery. And just as we pulled on the trailer, the car sounded like a kettle. And so I put a bit of water back into the radiator, and I found, if you look there is a slight crack in the tank there. On the seam. It's a pretty common thing with these Fords. So I've got another brand new radiator there. Come with this radiator, I bought this one. So we'll get that put in, and that will be the easy part of the repair. The biggest issue we had on Saturday night was time come for the feature. Wanted to start the car, wouldn't start. And for some reason, today I've charged it up since then. We had like 6 volts on the power. And look, that all light's working again. So that's what we'll look at. It's got some sort of wiring issue, we think, because it wouldn't start. Then it started when I got home just to test run, but then went to get off the trailer. Wouldn't do that. There we go. It's done that. It's like it's running out of fuel or something. Some sort of electrical issue with the fuel pump, maybe. We had an issue before that last meeting, and we had to change the fuel wiring around a bit, so it's going to be a bit of a mission, but we'll suss that out, get that sorted out, so hopefully the car will run for more than 5 seconds that it ran for then. If I get the GoPro for this one, I found another slight issue. It's not a huge issue, but the track was a bit rough on Saturday night, and our well, Nearly's doing again, but it's like the engine mount. Broke the engine mount there again, so we'll have to sort that out. Roll the crap out of it again. Not much better. Anyhow, we'll work on that. Yeah, the good thing about Tamworth dirt also acts as oil dryer when it falls out your car. You just sweep it on any oil leaks and sort your problems out. Yeah, that's a short update what we're up to. So here's the box here, I found it. There's a brand new radiator in there. I bought this one and the one in the car. There's a package lot from some burnout enthusiast from Maitland years ago. So it's there ready to go in. So yeah, that's it for today. It's only a short one, just update where we're up to. And we'll get that radiator in. Then we'll tear a hair out for about 3 days straight, probably get that electrical issue sorted out. And yeah, we're good to go race again in
Gunnedah. I had nothing to do, yeah, boil that engine mount back up. It was a bit rough in the feature. Oh, I say just give my weld a bit of a hard time, so we'll give that another go. It's been a while since that broke actually. So yeah, is that and that, and yeah, we'll come back to do some more videos on them later on in the next week or so. Anyhow, as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, make any comments and suggestions in the comment section, and we'll see you next time.